How to spot. When a woman is interested in you. 6 subtle signs she's giving you. When a woman has feelings for you, it's not always obvious. She might not directly tell you, but instead she'll drop little clues that signal her interest. If you pay close attention, these subtle hints can reveal a lot about how she feels. Here are 6 key things to look for when a woman likes you. 1. She puts extra effort into looking her best around you. One of the most telling signs that a woman likes you is when she goes out of her way to look her best when you're around. It's not just about wearing a pretty outfit or putting on makeup. It's about looking attractive to you. You might notice that she starts dressing in ways that highlight her personal style, but also seem carefully chosen to grab your attention. Perhaps she's wearing an outfit she knows you'll find flattering, or even experimenting with a new look. She might choose brighter colors, wear something a little more daring, or accessorize with jewelry she doesn't normally wear. Even her choice of perfume could change, something soft but alluring, meant to linger just enough for you to notice. But it's not just about clothes. Pay attention to the small details too. Maybe she'll take extra time to do her hair, making sure it frames her face just the right way, or choosing a hairstyle that she knows you'll like. She might even ask you for feedback like, "Do you think this looks good on me?" Or, "How do you like my new look?" When she's seeking your opinion, it's a sign she wants you to notice her and see her in the best possible light. She's showing you that she values your attention and thinks you're worth the effort. This isn't just about physical appearance. The key here is that she's genuinely excited to be around you and wants to make a good impression. To her, you matter enough for her to go the extra mile. 2. She focuses on shared interests to connect. When a woman likes you, she'll make an effort to find common ground between you. This could mean she starts asking more about the things you're passionate about, or shows interest in the things you enjoy. If you casually mention your favorite movie or band, you might find her asking questions about it later, or even saying she's checked it out. This isn't just her being polite. It's her way of bonding with you. When she discovers you have similar interests, she'll often bring them up in conversations, trying to build a bridge between you both. For example, if you're really into hiking, she might say something like, "I've been meaning to check out that trail you like. Is it as beautiful as you say?" This move is intentional. She's creating an opportunity for you both to share an experience together. She's saying, "I care about what you like, and I want to share that with you." And if she's consistently finding ways to weave these interests into your conversations, it's not just a casual remark. It's a sign that she's trying to create a stronger emotional connection with you. By focusing on the things you both enjoy, she's setting the stage for deeper bonding. She wants to see if you share a similar connection, one that could grow into something more. 3. She wants you to notice how thoughtful she is. Kindness is often overlooked as a sign of romantic interest, but for a woman who's genuinely into you, it can be one of the most significant ways to show affection. When she's paying extra attention to the little things you say or do, it's a clear indication she cares. Maybe she remembers something you mentioned weeks ago, like your favorite snack, or the big project you were working on. She might text you to check how things went or surprise you with a small gesture of support, like bringing you coffee when you're having a hectic day. These thoughtful actions might seem simple, but they show a deep level of care. A woman who likes you will go out of her way to make sure you feel heard, understood, and supported. She might not always be able to solve your problems, but she'll offer emotional comfort in a way that feels personal and meaningful. This consistency and kindness is her way of saying, "I'm here for you, and I want you to feel valued." If she's regularly showing these thoughtful acts, especially ones that seem designed just for you, it's a huge sign that she sees you as more than just a friend. She wants to make sure you know she's someone who cares deeply for you. 4. She makes sure to show her independence. While it may seem counterintuitive, one of the ways a woman shows she's interested in you is by emphasizing her independence. She doesn't want to seem clingy or overly dependent. Instead, she wants to show you that she's a strong, self-sufficient person who adds value to your life rather than drains it. You might notice her talking about her career ambitions, the personal goals she's working toward, or even the new projects she's taking on. These are her way of demonstrating that she's capable of standing on her own 2 feet. It's a subtle message that says, I have my own life, my own passions, and I'm proud of what I've achieved. But I'm also open to building something meaningful with you. This balance between showing independence and expressing interest in you signals that she sees you as someone with whom she could build a healthy, strong partnership. She's not just looking for someone to rely on, but rather someone to share her life with in a way that benefits both of you. 5. She uses humor to create a connection. Laughter is one of the best ways to build a connection with someone, and when a woman likes you, she'll often use humor to bring the two of you closer. Whether she's cracking jokes, being playful, or lightly teasing you, she's creating a space where you can both relax and enjoy each other's company. Pay attention to how she reacts when you joke around. Does she laugh a little harder than expected? Or does she keep the conversation going even after the joke has passed, showing that she enjoyed the interaction? These aren't just casual responses. They're signs that she's invested in making the moment enjoyable for both of you. Sometimes her teasing or jokes may be playfully directed at you, but it's all in good fun. If she says something like, "Wow, is there anything you're not good at?" With a smile, it's her way of showing admiration, but with a light-hearted touch. She's using humor to show that she likes you, that she enjoys your presence, and that she's trying to keep things fun and easygoing between you. 6. She lets you know she's available for you. If a woman is interested in you, she will drop hints about her availability. These subtle cues might seem random, but they are often invitations for you to make plans. For example, she might mention that her weekend is free or bring up a new restaurant she wants to try, subtly suggesting that you two could go together. This is her way of saying, "I have time for you, and I'd love to spend time with you." If she consistently makes an effort to carve out time for you, even when she has a busy schedule, it shows you're a priority in her life. These hints are often her way of putting the ball in your court, inviting you to take the lead in planning something. The more she makes herself available, the clearer it becomes that she's interested in spending quality time with you. So, if she's dropping hints about her schedule or talking about things she'd like to do, take the opportunity to make plans with her. In conclusion, if you're picking up on these signs, a woman taking care to look her best around you, highlighting your shared interests, being thoughtful and kind, showing her independence, using humor to connect, and making herself available to spend time with you, then it's clear that she's trying to show you how she feels. These little actions, though sometimes subtle, are powerful indicators of her affection. A woman who likes you won't